Who's ready to get on a plane and fly somewhere? Do you always ask yourself, is it a cheaper time of year or a time of the week that's less expensive to get a plane ticket? Well, if this is a question that you've been asking yourself, then stay tuned because this video is for you. Hey fellow travelers, this is Norman Payne from Up and Away. Thank you for stopping into my channel and welcome back. This channel is about everything travel. It's called Everything Travel because that's what it is, everything travel. Everything from travel tips, travel hacks, and travel news to cruise ship port videos and destination videos. If this is something you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button right now. Also, ring that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. So let's talk about the time of the week that is really off limits. Thursdays is the busiest travel day of the week. That's in any domestic airport. Thursdays is the busiest travel day of the week. Now, if you decide to travel on a Monday will bring you 15% cheaper tickets. No one wants to travel on a Monday. No one wants to start out their vacation on a Monday. They want to start their vacation sometimes where they can use the Saturday and the Sunday. Don't do it. Travel on Monday. Use that Saturday and Sunday to prepare for your Monday vacation. When it comes to international flights, Saturday is the cheapest day to fly to an international destination. Try leaving out on Saturday morning. It is cheaper than any other day of the week. If you rely on a trusted travel advisor, they'll be able to direct you to the shoulder season, as they call it, which is the cheapest time of the year to fly. Overall, the most costly and busiest time of an airport is the first week in September. That is when everybody gets out their last minute travel. The week of the 8th of September is usually the lightest week of the year because no one is flying. They've gotten all their summer travel out of the way and it's empty and open for anybody to go and get on a flight the second week of September. If you travel that second week, you can probably find discounts of $100 or better per plane ticket. Also, if you're traveling the week after Labor Day, September the 8th and beyond, you're going to have less crowds, lower costs. You will have the run of wherever you're going during that time. For international flights, I suggest you book your ticket around October 20th. For any time during the year, but October the 20th, the international tickets are the cheapest of the year. You can get these great savings from the high cost of travel during the summer. Just look at those two different times. That is the second week of September and October the 20th for international. If you're trying to fly in November when everybody else is around Thanksgiving, everybody's trying to get to Big Mama's house. But you should try to travel the second week in November opposed to Thanksgiving. Everybody is traveling during Thanksgiving. Everybody's trying to get to Big Mama's house. Even the people that aren't going back to their hometown, they're trying to go to a Caribbean destination during that same period. So you will run into more crowds and higher costs during Thanksgiving. The week of November the 10th will bring you lots of discounts. In general, traveling during the fall season is always cheaper than the summer season. You can pick a destination in the fall or even the winter and it will be a little bit cheaper than that summer rush. Historically, the tickets will drop at least 10% from the summer to the fall season. Some Europeans, they travel to the Caribbean islands during the fall. You'll see a lot of that happening. but it is nothing like the crowds that you will encounter during the summer. In the fall, you may see ticket prices going to places like Hawaii drop at least 15% from the rest of the year. So think about that. The weather's still good over in Hawaii during that time. Think about going in the fall opposed to peak summertime. If you decide to go somewhere like Santo Domingo in the Dominican Republic, you may even see the tickets 25% cheaper than the summertime. Regardless of where you travel, there are plenty of options for the Caribbean and Europe during the fall. And I suggest you taking advantage of that because you will get some type of discount for traveling during that time. Well, if any of this information was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment and let me know if you have found tickets to be cheaper at any time during the year and how you booked that ticket. Share my video with all travelers that you know, along with subscribe to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. Until our paths cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
And please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman, where you will find my Facebook page, my Instagram account, my Twitter page, and my TikTok page.